Haka sinjam ke bakong san ban pentikna ya ka jingshakri ke bakhamba haka iakhun ya ka jingpang HIV AIDS haka lengi jaka jonga jela Meghalaya kamtam syakithan ki bapaji bat bakendong tam ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kala IT ya ka kali Mahindra Bolero syaka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society MACS ya ka ni ka kali la IT sya Dr. Walambok Langsti Project Director ke MACS bat ki wepat ki officer da Malthus as Sangma, Additional Secretary ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, ubalami khmat haka jaka jong Thomas A. Sangma, ulampang ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Ulampang ula shimkya nakabenta ban penklan ya kila jingshakri haka jingakhun persya ya ka HIV AIDS haka jela, bat ula shim ya ka benta ka bakongsan ban penya syakmat ya ka ni ka sinjam.
Everyone can move the same.
Ya ka ni ka kali an sa IT no syaka Meghalaya State Network of Positive People haka ba an pendan kam haka ban wad bat buat dia ni ki beriu ki bahap haka kedan lost to follow Nanwar kata kan kershan ru nak benta ban pendan kam haki program pensyait pat ba haka lengga jela.
Today we have handed over one Bolero, Mahindra Bolero car to Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. That is on behalf of the Honorable Speaker. I have the honor to hand it over to the officials from the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. And it is their long cherished dream to have a vehicle which can travel even to the rural areas in catering to the needs of those who are contracted with HIV and their treatment, who find it difficult to collect their treatment materials from Shillong, so that these people can go to the doorstep of those people who are in need in the villages and the rural areas. So I think this small gesture from the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and the courtesy Honorable Speaker will have a long way in catering to the needs of the people in combating the AIDS and HIV virus.